Hi, welcome to this week's video telling you what we're learning this week. So, by every Monday, my goal is to make you a little video so you have a snapshot of what we're learning this week. So, if you want to talk about it at home, you can. For English Language Arts this week, we are going to be talking about 4 letters A, B, C, and D, which I know is a review for most of us, but we're talking about the capital, the lowercase, and the sound, which is going to be a good review for when we start putting those letters together soon to make words. We are learning the sight word I. So we learned the word and then we read a story that the word I comes up in over and over again. So when you're reading at home, try to be on the lookout for that magic word I and see if your kinder can spot it in your book. We are also talking about predicting while we're reading, which is making a guess about what happens next, and also summarizing, which is being able to tell your teacher or mom and dad what just happened in the story you are reading. So those are all some things you could practice at home this week with your kinder. For math this week, we're doing a review of the numbers 1 through 5. I know this is a review for them, but we're going to touch on it. We're going to be counting objects from 1 through 5, reading books that make us count from 1 through 5. So if you're at home, have them just start counting everything around them. I know they can count higher than 5, so maybe have them count out 20 objects for you if that's more appropriate. We are also drawing pictures with scenes of 2 and 3, so like a picture with 3 horses in it. And last but not least, we're going to be starting to look at how to break the numbers apart. So if I have 5 horses, I might have a group of 2 horses over here and 3 horses over here. And so we're starting to see that numbers can be decomposed into different parts, the beginnings of addition and subtraction. Our theme for the week is school supplies. So we are going to be practicing how to appropriately use pencils, crayons, scissors, glue, and markers, which is also going along with our handwriting lessons for this week, which are focused on the correct posture you should have when you're writing. The placement of your paper on the table is actually really important when you're working on handwriting. And I'm going to be checking all of their pencil grips to make sure that we are holding our pencil correctly. I'm also looking to see if they're right or left hand dominant so we can make sure we are using the correct hand when we are practicing. And last but not least, in our social behavioral curriculum this week, we are going to be practicing the listening rules, which will help us be successful learners for the whole year.